Nice joke.
All right, the next stock that we're going to be taking a look at is MEMP. We looked at this one again on the 18th at 27. I said on watch, needs to break the 30-day simple moving average, which should have been the 34, and you guys didn't get that area. So, I mean, like I said, I try what I can. You guys definitely tried to get up there, right here. You guys tried. On the 17th, I said same thing. 30. If 34 breaks, could run on watch. And again, I watch this stuff. I do it for days. I try to keep my calls when I look through this stuff short term, right? So last time I looked at it in here, it was starting to shape up for a good area. It's basically fallen out since. What is going on here? We're going to take a look. You guys are coming off of a support line that I could draw up here. Get that as accurate as I can. At the 15 area, below that's going to be around the 12 area. So you guys are bouncing off support. 20-day simple moving average is now your key. Is going to be at the 18-cent mark. You guys got to break that in order to start moving back up. My personal opinion, I really think that's going to be a key point. Get through that 18. Watch for that buying pressure. The buying pressure is coming in, which is a good sign. That is a good sign. You got the Bollinger Band starting to tighten together. Again, key points that I look at. Parabolic SAR following behind it and flipped over to the bearish area. But that could flip back really quick too. So let's watch for the break of the 20-day simple moving average. And then the 22 and 27. Again, I mean, I put these key supports or resistance up here. I said on watch, needs to break that 34, needs to break that 34. Said that two days in a row looking at this, and it just couldn't do it. Now you're going to need to break the, like I said, the support's at 15. You're going to need to break the 20-day simple moving average for sure. Keep watching for that pressure to come in. If you start seeing the 20s flicker again, it might be setting up. And that is all I'm going to have to add. If that happens, this one could run. It really could run. I would hate to see this one drop out again. So I'm going to put this on hold. I have to put it on hold until I see what happens up here at the 20-day. And that is all I have to add for this one. Again, as far as MPMP, if you guys are watching for that buying pressure to come in, all you have to do is head over to Investors Hangout, check out the time and sales. Look at today. You got all sells coming in even trades, no straight buys. So I'm going to have to put it on hold, guys. That's not a good sign. That's just my opinion on the chart. At 1.8 on hold. Joey, go ahead and take over.
Yeah, so this is the one that was going through chapter 11 right now, and we haven't had an update since the last time we went over it. So I was looking over on their filings. There was an 8K, and this was received on which day? The 23rd, and it is basically stating, as previously disclosed on January 16, 2017, Memorial Production Partners Limited and certain of its subsidiaries filed voluntary petitions, the Chapter 11 cases, under the Chapter 11 of the Title 11 of the United States Code and the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of Texas, Houston Division. On January 17th, the partnership received a letter from the Listing Qualifications Department of the NASDAQ Stock Market, LLC, notifying the partnership that as a result of the Chapter 11 cases and in accordance with NASDAQ Listing Rules 5101, 5110, and IM 5101, NASDAQ has determined that the partnership's common units representing limited partner interests will be delisted from NASDAQ stock market accordingly unless the partnership requests an appeal of this determination. Trading of the common units will be suspended at the opening of business on January 26, 2017, and a Form 25 NSE will be filed with the Securities Exchange Commission, which will remove the partnership's securities from listing and registration on the NASDAQ market. As disclosed on December 19, 2016, the common units had Also previously fallen below the NASDAQ's continued listing standard in NASDAQ listing rule 5450, requiring listed companies to maintain an average closing price per share of not less than $1 over a consecutive 30-day trading period. The partnership currently intends to request an appeal of this determination. So they're requesting, they're going to appeal it, obviously. That way they don't delist. So they're intended to stay on NASDAQ. I mean, worst case scenario, say if they didn't, then they'd go to OTC.
Okay. Well, right now, I mean, obviously, look what's going on over here. Now, obviously,
they're
looking at a
basically
more up to date.
restructuring.
Right.
Yeah.
Look at now. Now there's a lot of buys coming in. So, like I said, hold needs to break to 20. You guys heard it. MEMP. Again, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Check out the live stream. And Joe, thanks a lot for sharing the information.
You're welcome.